Social settings. Okay, so social traffic jet is the next big thing for generating enormous amounts of social traffic. But where are the social settings? And how do you connect your social media accounts to start getting all those leads that we've been talking about? Well, we're glad you asked. Simply go to the Settings tab on Social Traffic Jet, from where you will be able to integrate each one of your social media accounts. Let's show you how to set them up the easy way, one by one. Facebook Settings. In the Facebook tab, you will be asked to enter your app key and your app secret. In order to get these Facebook credentials, start by going to your Facebook developer dashboard at developer.facebook.com. Go to the My Apps display menu on the right top corner and click on Add a new app. You will simply be required to enter a name for your app and a developer contact email in the fields provided and click on Create App ID. You'll be asked to complete a CAPTCHA code for verification, complete, and click on Submit. You'll be taken right to your developer dashboard for this app. Once there, click on the Settings tab and enter your site's URL in the app domain field. Now go to the Add Platform button and select Website. Then enter your site's URL in the Site URL field. Click on Save Changes to continue. Now click on the Review App tab on the left, and on the Make App Public box, select Yes and confirm. Now go to the Dashboard tab. You will see that the app ID and the app secret are below the name of your app. Copy your app ID, go to the Facebook Settings tab in Social Traffic Jet, and paste your app ID in the app key field. Now go back to your Facebook developer dashboard and click on the Show button in the app secret box. Enter your password and copy your app secret. Go back to where you left on Social Traffic Jet and paste your app secret in the corresponding field. Make sure that everything has been correctly pasted and click on Save. As a last step, click on the Authorize button. You will be redirected to Facebook, where you'll need to click on Continue As and then confirm by clicking on OK when asked. Now your application is fully authorized. Twitter Settings. Now let's move to the Twitter tab. There you will be asked to enter your consumer key, your consumer secret, your access token, and your access token secret. To get your Twitter credentials, start by going to your app developer dashboard at apps.twitter.com. You'll be asked to create a new app in order to get your credentials. So click on the Create a New App button. You will now be asked to enter your application details. The required details are the name of your application, a description of your application, and your application's website. Mark the checkbox to agree with the developer agreement and click on Create your Twitter application. Now, you will be able to find your Twitter credentials on the Keys and Access Tokens tab. Copy your consumer key and go to the Twitter settings on Social Traffic Jet. Paste your consumer key in its respective field. Go back to Twitter and copy your consumer secret code and go back to Social Traffic Jet and paste it in the respective field. Go again to Twitter and scroll down to click on Create My Access Token. Copy your access token and go to Social Traffic Jet to paste it in its corresponding field. Go back to Twitter and copy your access token secret, then back to Social Traffic Jet to paste your access token secret there. Finally, click on Authenticate and wait. Now your Twitter account is linked to Social Traffic Jet. Instagram Settings. Now it's time to go to the Instagram tab, where you will be asked to enter your Instagram username, your Instagram password, your Instagram client ID, and your Instagram client secret. To get your Instagram credentials, go to your Instagram developer account at instagram.com/developer and click on the Manage Clients tab on the top right. Click on Register New Client and enter the information that you are asked for, which include the application name, its description, and its website. Don't forget to accept the terms of service to solve the CAPTCHA and to click on Register. Now that your new client has been registered, click on the Manage button on your new app. There, you will see your client ID and your client secret. Copy the client ID and go to the Instagram settings on Social Traffic Jet. Once there, enter your Instagram username and your Instagram password in their respective fields. Then paste your client ID in the Instagram client ID field. Go back to Instagram and copy your client secret. Then back to Social Traffic Jet and paste it in the Instagram client secret field. Click on Save Settings and wait for the Instagram settings updated successfully message to appear. LinkedIn settings. Awesome! Now it is time to configure your LinkedIn settings by going to the LinkedIn Settings tab, where you will be asked for your client ID and your client secret. To get these LinkedIn credentials, start by going to the linkedin.com/secure/developer URL, making sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account and click on Create Application. You'll be asked to enter your new application details. The required details are marked with a red asterisk and include the name of your company, your application's name, a description, a logo image, the use of your application, your website URL, your business email, and your business phone number. Accept the terms of use by checking the box and click on Submit to continue. There you go! Your client ID and your client secret are in the Authentication Keys section. But before you enter these credentials in the Settings section, make sure to go back to the LinkedIn Settings page on Social Traffic Jet and copy the URL under the instructions message and paste it in the Authorized Redirect URLs field and click on Add. Now, copy your LinkedIn credentials, paste it in the LinkedIn Settings section of Social Traffic Jet, and click on Save to set it all up. Pinterest. Let's now set up your Pinterest social settings by going to the Settings tab and clicking on the Pinterest icon. There you will be asked to enter your Pinterest app ID and app secret. To get your new Pinterest credentials, start by going to the developers.pinterest.com URL in your browser. Once there, click on the Apps tab, accept the Pinterest developer terms, and click on Create App. Next, enter a name and a description for your app, and click on Create. Now your new credentials are ready. Just remember to go to your Pinterest Settings tab on Social Traffic Jet and copy the URL under the instructions message and paste it into the Redirect URL field on your Pinterest app dashboard. Now, copy your Pinterest credentials, paste them into their respective fields in the Pinterest Settings page on Social Traffic Jet, and click on Save. Tumblr. Okay, so now it's time to set up your last social platform for massive automated traffic generation. Go to the Settings tab and click on Tumblr. There, you will be asked for your Tumblr consumer key, consumer secret, token, and token secret in order to authenticate your Tumblr settings. To get these credentials, start by going to the tumblr.com/docs/en/API/v2 URL on your browser and click on the Register an Application link. Now, click on the large Register Application green button. You will be taken to a Register Your Application form where the only required fields are the application name and the application description, the administrative contact email, and the default callback URL. Check the I'm not a robot verification box and click on Register. Your Tumblr application has been registered. And now, you will be able to retrieve your credentials by clicking on the Explore API link. On the following page, click on Allow to give your application permission to access your Tumblr account. You will land on the API console, where you will be able to find all your credentials. Start by copying your consumer key from here and then paste it into its corresponding field in the Tumblr settings page on Social Traffic Jet. Do the same for the following three credentials, which are your consumer secret, your token, and your token secret. Once you have entered each one of your Tumblr credentials, you will simply have to click on the authentication button and you're done. Now, all your social media sites are ready to generate massive amounts of traffic for you on autopilot. Tune in to our following videos so we can show you how to use every feature provided by this powerful social traffic generating plugin.